Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. This is your girl Seher. Welcome back to my channel. I am hopefully starting a new vlog and अभी हम फिर से बैंगलोर जा रहे हैं मासी के घर. There's a get together, New Year get together और too much noise. So yeah, there's a get together because my sister is also here in India and it's just the New Year as well. So we are going. We are right now taking a stop to have breakfast. It's around 9:30ish. Haven't slept. Same old story. Yeah, we are at the same restaurant. We usually stop just before the toll starts in Srirangpatna. So let's go have a breakfast. Then ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ ಕತ್ತು ऐसा था बेड़ने दली उसके अच्छा नहीं था लास्ट टाइम कैसा मैं did not like the dosa. Mom also did not like the dosa. We reached there by afternoon and her place is literally outskirts of Bangalore, but the house is so pretty. I just wanted to show you how beautifully the home is done, so you guys enjoy.
Veo en tus ojos mi vida pasar y se extraña si lo cierro. Y si mañana nos toca no estar, miro al cielo y te veo.
Look, it's broken. It's broken.
Alrighty, it's the next day and 3rd January is my sister's birthday and also her anniversary on the same day. So we came out for dinner. Then we cut a lot of cake because she has a lot of friends who also sent her cake since she was here in India. But she's very private, so I couldn't share those. Went to parlor, fixed myself up, and then began the shadi season in the house. First up, I went to Mehendi and Haldi of my niece, and it was really fabulous. I got really beautiful henna done. Alrighty, you guys, मैं पता नहीं कब कैमरा उठा रही हूँ, कब बात कर रही हूँ, क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं. आई हैव नो आइडिया मैंने क्या मतलब रिकॉर्ड किया क्या नहीं किया. बट सोचा कि एक अपडेट दे दूँ. हल्दी हो गई आज, एक मेहंदी हो गई और फिर शाम में एक और हल्दी है एंड कल एक और फंक्शन है शायद. तो कंटिन्यूसली बैक टू बैक वी हैव वेडिंग एंड मेरे मेहंदी हैज़ कम रियली वेल. मैं नाइट में भी दिखाऊंगी बट आई एम रियली टायर्ड एंड आई डोंट हैव माय हिजाब ऑन. Right now I'm just resting. I just have an eye patch because my skin is so dehydrated. I made a very big mistake which I will share with you guys in the next coming vlogs. But yeah, my skin is burning, my eye and face is dry. So yes, let me just take a nap and then get up and do makeup again. मैंने makeup उतार दिया. जो वेडिंग से आई थी मैं वहाँ से मैंने मेकअप उतार दिया एंड फिर से अब मैं मेकअप करूँगी थोड़ी देर में. अभी हो रहे हैं 6 o'clock. मैं शायद 7:38 के अराउंड मेकअप करूँगी एंड आई नीड सम टाइम. सो मैं शायद 7:30 को मेकअप करूँगी. सो आई होप एंड प्लान टू शेयर एटलीस्ट वन मेकअप लुक. लेट्स सी हाउ दैट pans out. But yes, I just wanted to come and give an update because I don't know when I spoke to you guys. I don't remember.
अजीज़म मोहम्मद इमाद खान कानी का अली जनाब रशीद अब्दुल अफसर साहब की साहबजादी अजीज़ा सिमरन अफसर के साथ होने जा रहा है। मोहम्मद इमाद खान, मैंने आपका निकाह किया और आपका जोड़ा बनाया, क्या आपने कबूल किया? जी मैं कबूल किया।
Okay, I don't think I recorded any reception videos from this particular wedding, but we did attend it. I do have a lot of photos which I will add in the end. But right now we are at airport. The weddings were over. My sister's time here in India was over, so she was heading back, and we had come to drop her off. What was really sad and painful was to see my nephew go. He's all of 3 years, and I had a lot of beautiful time with him, and I made a lot of memories with him. So that was really the saddest part, and that is also a reason why I wanted to take a little bit of break on YouTube, and I wasn't consistent. So yes, you guys, it is what it is. Can't help it. That's my sister and nephews in the front. We roamed the airport a little bit, and then we decided to go to Amasi's place, and it is next day. She serves the best breakfast. It's like a buffet but at house, and it was really tasty, so I thought I'll share it with you guys, because look at how colorful my entire plate looks like. So yes, thanks to her, she's a very good host, and she did take care of us a lot. We stayed there for over a week, and we did go shopping, we did all of that. I was just trying to share this very beautiful bird, and that's it, you guys. We saw this very pretty antique shop on the way, and we decided to have a quick check over here, but he was quoting prices beyond expectations. Then we went to Dash store in Indranagar. We love home decor. Me, Masi, and mom all are obsessed with home decor. We like to take a little bit of inspiration from these kind of places, and the home decor over here is amazing, like top notch quality. You will feel that luxe vibe in your house. So after that we were really famished because we did not have lunch, so we went to this place where it was really nicely decorated, additionally decorated only because it was Ugadi, but this was all permanent decor of the restaurant, and I really loved it. I loved this wooden, not wooden, it's this plaster of Paris mural wall where it represents, like, a typical town of Karnataka. So I was really mesmerized by this artwork. And yeah, we did have really good food as well. It was Andhra style food, but it was yum. It was like so tasty. I've always thought Andhra food to be very typical, but this was not like that typical Andhra food. It was really good, and I enjoyed it. This fried rice was like amazing. I crave for it. And this is the place Antera, which we went to. अब हम जा रहे हैं इंदिरा नगर में ही, this place called as Beruru. I don't know, I'll flip the camera and show you. It's a plant place. Like, बैंगलोर आओ और मासी से मिलो और फिर शॉपिंग में जाओ, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता.
So yeah, we're going there. Let me just flip the camera and show you guys. Okay, did you see? It's such a beautiful place. It's really nice. If you are a plant lover like my mother and my Masi, then you will love this place. It's humongous. By the way, we had amazing lunch in Antara. I think that's what it's called as. And look at the plants. It's so beautiful. It's on a very busy Indranagar street. So I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me. But yes, we did have a very nice time. We first went to Dash. My Masi wanted to see some furniture and things of that sort. So we went there and now we are walking towards this place. There is 2 other places over here. So we'll be going there, checking out and seeing what we will shop. I don't know. So let's go and let's have fun.
The world is a wondrous place when you slow it down. Throw off the rules like our shoes on the golden ground. Sway in the autumn leaves. You are beautiful when you look at me. Can you feel my love? Can you feel my love? Oh, 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 oh. Can you feel my love? Can you feel my
Also selling these prints which you can put in frames. So these are basically birds of India and I really like these. I might pick one of these up, maybe the flowers or the, and this is also so pretty. Everything you see is so pretty. This fire pit is so beautiful. And there's a cafe.
Stay through the change, through the way that the colors turn. Dive in with me to the deep of the orange burn and lay in the autumn leaves. You are beautiful and you're all I need. Can you feel my love? Oh, 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 oh. Can you feel my love? Oh, oh, oh. Can you feel my love? Can you feel my
Several days later.
Hey guys, next दिन हो रहा है and breakfast के लिए बैठी हूँ. There's a very beautiful spread. So yes, let me eat and then catch up with you guys.
Ooh, it's the fall, it's the fall, it's the
लोग वॉकिंग के लिए आए थे एट 5 o'clock. अभी हो रहे हैं ऑलमोस्ट 5:50. वॉकिंग हो गई है. वी आई एम ड्रेस लाइक दिस. तो अभी यहाँ से हम ऑटो कैच करेंगे एंड वी विल गो टू द मार्केट. वी डू नीड टू बाय सम कर्टन्स एंड आई नीड टू गेट माई जो एयरटेल का सिम है, मेरा नेटवर्क नहीं वर्क कर रहा है इन स्पाइट ऑफ डूइंग द रिचार्ज. सो आई हैव टू गेट दैट फिक्स्ड. सो आई विल गेट दैट डन एंड ऑल्सो टेलर जाना है, तो वी विल डू दैट. बस ख्वाहिश हमारी ये थी कि ये ऊपर वाले कैबिनेट्स बन जाए, बट होते होते हमने बहुत कुछ कर लिया. ये कर्टन्स तो देखो कितने खूबसूरत हैं. ये बेंच का पॉलिश हो गया, उसका सीट बन गया एंड फेवरेट पार्ट इज़ यहाँ जो बेसन था वो बहुत पुराना था, 30-40 इयर्स पुराना था, वो चेंज हो गया और मम्मी ने ये कस्टम मिरर बनवाया. Everything looks so beautiful. And that's it for my vlog. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.